Okay, I did the mirrors. We're in drive. Say a prayer. Welcome back to Auto Amateur. There's a lot of big trucks around here because it's my episode today. Yes! Why do people cut through here? This is not a lane. As they turn your dreams to shame.
Help! Help!
Do I have to put the brake on to vroom vroom it? How do I?
You want to do like what the guys
the revving, yeah. Yeah. Sorry, yes, not a weenie. Thank you. Hey y'all, welcome back to Auto Amateur. Thanks so much for hashtag Bring Back Ruthie because it's my episode today. Yes. I'm not gonna hurt your car.
Watch out for the building!
Watch out for the tree! Watch out for the airplane! Hey friends, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to be interviewing James about a couple of questions that he knows about and some that he doesn't. Some involve the Porsche and some involve activities around the Porsche. So, glad to have you. Here we go.
Thank you, wife.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. Because it's my episode
Because
today.
it's your episode.
So, welcome to Auto Amateur S. So you're getting a wrap, yeah? You like Mario's? It was good.
Yes, Mario's rap is awesome.
It's really sexy.
I do really want a rap, yeah, I do.
Yeah, good job, Mario. Nice work. I also approve of the wrap. What are your colors now that you're going towards, hun? Do we have top three?
Yeah, so it's the really light blue color.
Mm-hmm. I like that one.
I really like that really super light blue color. And then I also really like the bold blue color.
Oh, I like that too.
Even though I'm a Liverpool fan, kind of like the Everton blue. I really like that blue.
Yep.
But then I also really like the lizard green.
No.
I do.
Why?
Because it's lizardy and green. There's just something about it that looks really cool.
And like baby vomit.
Well, no, that's the burnt orange color.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a big fan of the burnt orange color.
Although the metallic orange was kind of cool. The one that goes from like kind of a grayish orange to a yellowy.
True, but as a ginger, I spend most of my life avoiding orange.
Yeah, that's true.
So, anyway, I would say the light blue is probably number one. Number two is the bold kind of Everton blue. Sorry, Liverpool fans.
Sorry.
And the third is the lizard green.
Okay. I can get behind the first two. Although I kind of want like my lipstick color. Like a fuchsia pink.
Okay.
That's what I would get.
Fuchsia pink.
If I had a Porsche, I would get the fuchsia pink.
Okay.
But you're also not a lady. So there's that.
Okay. So what else have you got for me?
I've got some other questions. So that was around the wrap.
Yeah.
Are you going to get any other decals? I know that you bought some of those extra Porsche
How did you know about that?
strippies because you showed me them when you. I
did.
pay attention to you when you talk. Hello.
Well, so yeah, I think if I get it wrapped, yeah, the matte black Porsche decals down the doors I'll do, but I'm not going to do a
No stripe.
No stripe, not this.
Pontiac Grand Am. Yeah. Sorry, hun. No stripe. Okay.
Yeah, no Pontiac Grand Am stripe.
Oh, that's a shame. Any lights? Twirly?
Spinning rims?
The neon light around the license plate?
No lights. Oh, floor lights. No floor lights.
No floor lights.
No.
Nothing in the door here?
No.
Okay. And do they have plug-in Christmas lights for cars? I don't even know if they have that.
Should. That would be pretty cool. I would do that for Christmas.
I'm pretty sure that's illegal to drive with lights in your car.
Maybe.
But maybe for like one episode of Auto Amateur
Maybe.
at Whitetail Woods. I'm trying to think what else. Okay, so you know I love to sing in the car. That's my jam. It's also like my warm-up time when I go audition for gigs. Let it go! I don't think those are the right words. I think I'll try defying gravity. You love it. Say what you want to say and let the words fall out. You love when I sing. Yep, what's the middle? But the tigers come at night as they tear your hope apart. Ow, ow. Touche.
Help!
Hashtag should have been in the tour. Whatever. Just saying. Got a call back. Should have been in the tour. It's fine.
Yes.
So, what's your, like, my go-to song is probably something 80s. I don't know, like some big power ballad thing, or a Disney song, or a musical theater song that has really high belting.
Yeah.
What's your go-to singing song? You answer, and then I'll tell you what I think your answer was too. Like what I anticipate your answer is going to be. Or should I answer what I think you're going to say first?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that Somebody Can Wait song by Oasis? So smooth.
Oh, so sad. Don't Look Back in Anger.
Yeah, that's it.
I do like to sing that song, yeah.
I know you do. What is your favorite boy movie that features cars?
Oh, good question. I would probably
Fast
say...
and Furious 12.
There isn't 12.
I know.
But there might be.
Out of all the movies that feature cars or like have cars at a centerpiece of the film, what is your favorite car? Like the actual car?
From all the movies.
You can say The Love Bug. It's
Easy.
Okay. Nobody will judge you.
I used to love Herbie in The Love Bug.
Herbie in The Love Bug.
No,
Good
it's
movie.
got to be Will Smith's black Porsche Turbo in the first Bad Boys. Cops.
There's a top.
They're after you.
No, I'm just...
Quick, Mexico! Let's go!
Oh my gosh. Well, thanks you guys for joining us for another Auto Amateur. We will hopefully see you again next time. Share this video with other Porsche wives and have them comment and subscribe. And also, if you want to see more of moi, you can either hashtag bring back Ruthie or hashtag more Ruthie, less James. Bye! Chicks and ducks and geese better scurry when I take you out in my Surrey. When I take you out in my Surrey with the fringe on top. Everybody!
I don't even know what that is.
It's from Oklahoma!